19 minus 9 gives us 10. And again, here we have 19 minus 9, which again gives us 10. And 10 times 10 is equal to 100. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I will write here, so according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, MND stands for multiplication or division, and A and S stands for addition or subtraction. According to this rule, the first thing we need to solve is parentheses, right? Parentheses are brackets you see in maths, so brackets are the first thing to solve. And then the second thing to solve are exponents. Exponents are powers that are written on top of numbers, so these powers are the second thing to solve. And the third thing to solve is multiplication or division, right? And finally, we have to solve addition or subtraction. Here is the thing. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, because multiplication or division have higher priority than addition or subtraction, right? So as you can see here, there is a priority we need to follow when we are doing mathematical equations. Sorry, I wrote here 3. Have to write it like 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the right order to solve mathematical equation. So in this case, we have multiplication and subtraction. So since multiplication have higher priority than subtraction, we have to solve the multiplication before the subtraction, right? So that is the right order. And then we are going to move to subtraction and solve and get the right answer. So here 9 times 19 gives us 171. And the problem becomes 19 minus 171 minus 9. So 19 minus 171 gives us negative 152. And negative 152 minus 9 is equal to negative 161. So the final answer to this question is negative 161.